Ever wondered what an entire YouTube channel is really about? You don't need to watch every video to find out. Trying to understand a YouTube channel manually can take hours. You have to open video after video just to figure out what the creator actually focuses on. And even after watching several videos, it's difficult to see the bigger picture. The main content themes, recurring topics, and patterns are buried across the entire channel. That's where SummarizAI comes in. It's a Google Chrome extension that uses AI to analyze an entire YouTube channel and reveal its content patterns in seconds. Let me show you.
Open a YouTube channel you want to understand. Click Analyze Channel in SummarizAI side panel. The AI analyzes the channel's content and creates a structured overview. You can quickly identify the main content themes, see recurring topics, playlists, and patterns across the videos. And instead of manually opening dozens of videos, you get a much clearer picture of what the channel is actually about. This is useful when researching competitors, studying creators, find new content, or simply trying to understand a channel faster. Instead of spending hours researching one channel, you can understand its overall content strategy in seconds. You see the patterns without watching everything. Want to understand YouTube channels faster? Install the SummarizAI Google Chrome extension for free using the link in the description.